Hi, it's Darno with NuWave Oven Recipes. Today, I'm going to be showing you grilled toast using two different cookers. First, I'll show you with the NuWave Primo grill oven, and then I'll show you grilled toast using the NuWave Jubilee indoor smokeless grill. It's a double grill that presses from both sides. And this is pretty impressive how both of them do grilled toast. But you're going to really get to see which one you might prefer out of the two when it comes to some grilled toast. And of course, this will be similar with other types of foods that they grill. And so we're going to get started with that comparison right now. Alright, so for this cook, I've got myself some buttery spread. You'll need some type of spreadable butter. I've also got myself 2 slices of my homemade bread. As I always like to point out, my homemade bread is so large. This is really like the equivalent of 4 slices of regular bread, because each of these is about the size of maybe 2 slices of your store-bought bread, or what you might consider regular bread. But the NuWave Primo grill oven, to get things started up, I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to adjust the time down to 0 because we're going to be using just the sear function. So I'm going to hit sear, and I'm going to adjust the time for the sear down to just 4 minutes. And I'm going to preheat, so I'm going to hit the preheat button, and now I'm going to hit start. While that's preheating, I'm going to coat both sides of my bread with my buttery spread. Alright, preheat's finished. I'm going to get that dome off, put my bread on the grill plate. Now I'm going to get the dome back on and hit start. Let this go for a couple minutes. Alright, 2 minutes have passed. Go and hit pause right there and go and get that dome off. And now we're going to try and flip our bread. You can see the nice searing on that side of the bread. And flip this other side. There we go. Now we get that dome back on. Well, I think I got a piece a little off to the side. Let me make sure I've got them both on there to get some good searing. Alright. Now put that dome back on and start. We'll let that run for a couple more minutes. Alright, we're getting into our final 10 seconds. Just about 4 minutes, 2 for each side. Put that sear, and we'll see what we have now. And it's good to preheat just to make sure that you get things really nice and seared up. I'll show you the other side of this. See, we've got some searing on the opposite side here of this bread. So, it basically comes out better seared where the butter is, but it turns out pretty nice. Let's see the other side of this one. That one has some nice searing on the opposite side. So it turns out pretty good. You can get some nice, sorry about that, nice seared toast there. So I'm going to get my seared toast off. And that butter keeps things really nice and moist in that bread, but have a look at that. I mean, this is really, I'm telling you, once you try this, if you've got an indoor grill, you try this, you'll probably become addicted to it. But let's move the camera around and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here's our toast. So let's give it a taste. Alright, I could just eat through that whole slice there right on camera if I was the type to do those types of videos where people just eat all the food right in front of you. But I could do it, but I won't. Anyway, it's very good. The butter just gives it such a nice touch and flavor, and the searing, it all comes out just so nice. Alright, now I'm going to use the NuWave Jubilee smokeless grill to cook up some toast, some buttered toast. First, I'm going to just butter this toast down good with some buttery spread. Butter this bread down good with some buttery spread, my homemade bread again. Alright, now I'm going to turn the NuWave Jubilee on. I'm going to up the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to be fair. Even though the NuWave Jubilee I could go up to 475 if I wanted to, but I'm going to just keep this fight fair. And I'm going to go down to 1 minute, just 1 minute of cooking time, just 60 seconds, and that's all. Now I'm down to the 1 minute mark here. Now I'm going to hit a preheat to preheat things and hit start. Once things are preheated, I'll bring it back. Alright, the preheat's finished. Go and get this bread into the Jubilee. Was cooking a little something in there earlier, so I'll clean it up in there later. But got my bread on, and I set my grill plate to sit on top of the bread, hit start, and let this run for a minute. Now you see some smoke initially coming out, and it seems like with the start of a cook there's always a bit of smoke when the food first hits that grill plate, but you're going to see even over the course of this minute that the smoke pretty much starts to dissipate. And it seems like usually with most cooks, either there's no smoke after things start cooking for a bit, or there's very light smoke. Now you might be able to see a little bit of light smoke coming out, but usually during the cook there's no real smoke issues. There might be a little bit coming out, a lot at the start, and maybe a little bit during the cook, but it's never any type of problematic type of smoke issues that I've had with things that I put in here. And we got just about maybe 14-15 seconds. You can hear that food in there sizzling, and it's being pressed on both sides by those grill plates. So just wait until you see what happens after just 1 minute's time. And we're at 1-0. I'm going to hit the on off button, and you see in just 1 minute, look at this. That's just 1 minute. That's just 60 seconds of cooking. That's what you get from the NuWave Jubilee Indoor Smokeless Grill or Double Grill. So let's get the camera moved and do a quickie taste test of this one. Alright, well, you have a look at that bread. I mean, just 1 minute. That's faster than your toaster. That's faster than any other type cooker that I can think of to just knock out making some quick toast. So let's do a bite here. The NuWave Jubilee is, I mean, obviously the winner. You get a deeper sear faster. I mean, I probably could have got 30 seconds, and maybe I would have got a sear that, like I got on the NuWave Primo, that took several minutes and had to cook on both sides. I mean, this is not I guess, even a fair fight. The NuWave Jubilee just wins hands down when it comes to just straight up grilling. It is a just superb tool for grilling. I mean, it's like the old Foreman grill, but to another level, because you got the adjustable plates and such. It's just great stuff. You got the preheat that you can set to specific temperatures. I mean, it's just great. You can adjust the top and bottom grill plate to different temperatures of your liking. Great tool for the kitchen if you want to grill. And so I'm definitely liking it. And you can find this other recipes, heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can also come to this YouTube channel anytime by going to waveovenrecipes.com. It'll bring you right to this YouTube channel. Also, I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.